26 September 2021 is going to be a day to remember. Not because this was a season opener for us here at Trail Junkies, but the day the people of Goa experienced what off-roading, trail riding can actually be. Or maybe just how scary it can be if you don't take it.
Another weekend, another thing to do.
But this time, it's completely different. It's an event going to be crazy.
And this time it's not just an average shenanigan Sunday. It's finally the chapter 1. So we've been doing this for around 2 weeks. The hype has been in Goa for around 2 weeks and it's finally happening. So we had a couple of routes, but the route we finalized on was here in Baroda itself. So let's get to the route. Whoa! What's happening right now? In case you're wondering what's going on, this is the guy who tracks your trails and this is the guy who edits your videos. Okay, so if there's anyone who's telling you all how the track is, that's me, not him. So the track starts like, the riders have a small warm-up session of about 1 kilometer till they cross the Parvat Arc and reach to the first starting point of the segment. Now here's the magic part. The segment is an incline of a mix of boulders, gravel, technical sections to come up. Then you go down. Is it the second section, I guess? Doesn't even know the names. So the second part of the map is called the time trial, where all the riders have to start solo. There will be a gap of about 2 minutes between every rider. They will be doing an uphill obstacle course, which is again made by none other than Pradyum and Kiran. If they'll go up, they'll take a U-turn, they'll come down, and the fastest timing gets the cookie, I guess.
चलल्या कशी झाली आफ्टर टाइम ट्रायल
सध्या तरी खूप बरी चलल्या मजा येता एन्जॉय जाता
मजा आयली. ट्रेक वॉज व्हेरी गुड. इट वॉज लिटल ट्रिकी बट इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपिरियन्स ऑल टुगेदर. एन्जॉयड.
म्हजी फर्स्ट ऑफ रोडिंग आणि बरी आशिल्ली मजा आयली. अर्दी जाली आतां अर्दी उरल्या पळोवया कितें येता वाटेर.
एक्सपिरियन्स इज टू गुड अँड मातशें अर्दे जालां आमगेलें आनी अर्दे उरलां फक्त आतां आमी वयता फुडें.
Cookie, nothing else. So that, whatever it is, too much technical stuff, we don't really do that. Then after the time trial, you go towards the third section, which is the drops, my favorite. So Pradyum, Kiran got together, they built up some wooden planks and we had trees fallen on the track. So instead of removing the trees, we decided why not to make them a part of the track. So mounted wooden planks on both the sides, the riders could have a bit of adrenaline rush and just jump over them, which they actually did to some extent. Yeah, that was it. It's all about having fun. It's all about the people you ride with. And I think here at Trail Junkies, we are very delighted to have all these people come out today on a Sunday, that too, and join us in what fun has. And that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you on the route there.
Who knew that 4 off-roaders would one day come together and make an experience unlike anything anyone has ever felt? All we wanted was to share the bare happiness of off-roading with the rest of y'all. And the response we received was overwhelming.
And I thank each and everyone, those who participated. Special thanks to Esther Hospital, Polygon Bikes, Garmin India, Game of Trails, and Trail Junkie Goa. आणि कोण उरला? SKS Goa.
So guys, we are finally done with the trail. It was one hell of a crazy trail. We're just having some refreshments now. Just saying goodbye. But this is never a goodbye. There's always something coming up, always. There will be always a second chapter. There will be always more people, new people to meet, and more fun. And one more thing is there. That guy you can see over there will make the trail more intense. So see you all next year.
On the behalf of the entire Trail Junkie team, I thank each and everyone who was able to make it that day and make this event a great success. That being said, we'll see you in the next one. And yeah, what Trail Junkie video is over without any bloopers?
मोहन any last words?
मी नॉर्मल सायकल चलयता वो अशी सायकल चलयता
God, please save my body. My body is more precious.
Off-road bikes are categorized in two ways. Off-road bikes on road and off-road bikes where it should be.
cheating. अरे ambulance गेलो. Oh damn. बहुत रे ब्रो. अरे too good.
चल आराम से, थैंक यू आने के लिए.